How is human pollution changing our planet's climate? San Diego researchers say the answer lies in the ocean.
As 10 News reporter Amanda Brandeis explains, they are studying the ocean by recreating it in a multi-million-dollar lab.
Well, we think it's a pretty big deal.
Inside this towering brown structure, researchers at the Scripps Institute of Oceanography study the ocean like never before.
We have a paddle that pushes the water down this chute, and so you can see these little developing waves just like they do in the ocean.
The lab then mimics what happens when water breaks on the shore. It's much more than just a pretty picture.
When you have a wave break, you have all these bubbles formed and they come up to the surface and they pop. And that popping releases a ton of really small particles.
Those particles go into the atmosphere, forming clouds which regulate our climate.
Given that the ocean is nearly three quarters of the planet, understanding how it's affecting clouds and precipitation and why we are getting drought in some areas and flooding in others, a lot of that is coming probably because the composition of the ocean and the air are changing.
UC San Diego's Kimberly Prather is leading the research. They want to understand how humans are impacting this natural process. So they're adding pollution to the laboratory ocean.
A lot of people still deny that humans are the ones that are changing things. This experiment will pinpoint how much and how fast humans are changing things.
She says changes in the ocean are happening much faster than scientists once thought.
We used to say we're passionate about it because it's affecting our kids and our grandkids, but it's affecting us right now, today.
And they hope to pinpoint which human factors are doing the most damage.
Is it the car emissions? Is it coal combustion?
Answers that Prather hopes will give policymakers enough time to reverse the damage. Amanda Brandeis, 10 News.
The National Science Foundation is funding the research. It provided $20 million for the first 5 years and another $20 million for the next 5 years.